In this video, we will walk you through the assembly process of our super handy gas-powered stump grinder. Start by opening and unboxing the package. Remove all of the necessary packaging materials. Locate the operator's manual and other spare parts required for the assembly process. First, start by removing the two mounting bolts from the handle connecting rod. After lifting the front end of the equipment, the handle connection rod can be removed. Place the handle connecting rod onto the main body of the equipment. Insert 4 of the M8 by 45 bolts through the connecting rod and equipment body frame holes. Locate 4 of the M8 nuts and install the nuts from the bottom of the equipment main body. Once the connection rod is securely fastened to the frame of the stump grinder, lie the machine back down. Insert the handlebar into the handle connecting rod. Secure the handlebar by using 4 M8 by 45 bolts and 4 M8 nuts. Install the clutch handle onto the handlebar by using 2 M6 by 60 bolts. Insert the bolts through the handlebar and into the threaded holes in the clutch handle and secure them tightly. Insert the wheel axle completely through the equipment's left side mounting hole. Secure it on the right side using 1 flat washer and 1 cotter pin. Attach the wheel to the wheel axle. Secure them using a flat washer and a cotter pin. Repeat these steps on the other side of the machine. After installation, ensure the wheel inflation valve is on the outer side, allowing for easy access to refill the pneumatic tires when necessary. Install the deflector onto the engine's muffler using the 3 included screws. Secure the throttle and lever cables with the included zip ties. Before operation, you must add oil and gas to the machine. A new engine is shipped without oil. Before starting the engine, make sure the handle clutch controller is in the released position. When starting the engine, you must squeeze the operator's presence handle. During operation, you need to continue squeezing the handle. Once released, the engine will stop working. With one hand squeezing the operator's handle, you are now ready to start the engine. After starting the engine, push the handle clutch controller tightly to make the cutter disc rotate. Now you are ready to get to work.